Dear children, today we will start a new chapter of SST, that is chapter number 7, the land of ice and snow, that is Greenland. In today's video, we will cover that what is Greenland, where it is located, and we will study about its climate. Now let's begin with the explanation. What is Greenland? Greenland is the largest island in the world that is not a continent. It is a country. It is a self-governing province of Denmark. And what is its capital city? Its capital city is Nuuk, and the earlier name of Nuuk was Gotthard. Who is the first person who visited here? The first European who visited Greenland was Eric the Red. He gave the island its name. Now let us look at the various features of Greenland, like its climate, animal life, life of the people, occupation and the industries. So first let's discuss about climate of Greenland. When we say the climate of Greenland, the Arctic Circle passes through the southern part of Greenland. So you can see the picture right here of Arctic Circle, and it passes through the southern region of Greenland. Now because of this, the Greenland comes into the frigid zone of northern hemisphere, and this region is also called tundra region. Almost 80% of Greenland is always covered with ice. So you can imagine, whether you look anywhere, you will see only snow. Now what is iceberg? During spring, bits of ice cap break off from the main mass of ice and fall into the ocean. These floating blocks are called icebergs. As you can see here in the picture, the icebergs look very small from the above, but it is really very huge from below. They are very irregular in shape. These are also very dangerous for the ships. If you would have seen movie Titanic, you know what happened with the iceberg in 1912. A large ship, Titanic, sank after hitting a huge iceberg. Now, we know the most of the Greenland comes under frigid zone. That is why it is mostly covered with ice. The climate of Greenland is called polar climate. It is extremely cold and chilly throughout the year. There is heavy snowfall. In summer, it is bright, sunny and dry. There is continuous sunlight for several weeks. Greenland is often known as the land of midnight sun because in summer the sun shines even at midnight. So that's all for today, children. In my part 2 video, we will cover some more topics of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day, children.